Alright, today we are looking at a pretty cool battery pack, battery bank, backup battery, whatever you want to call it, from Aukey. These guys were nice enough to send this to me to take a look at. Let's get her open. Not a whole lot going on in here. This is the model number PBY-14, and as you can see, it is massive, but it's quite thin, but it does have a big footprint. Definitely something that you're gonna have to consider if you've got the space for it on a motorcycle trip. I'm definitely going to be bringing this along with me on trips from now on, because I can fit it pretty easily into side bags, and then I can charge 3 USB-A devices as well as a USB-C device all at the same time. If you wanted to get really crazy, you could charge all 4 ports at once. And it also has the ability to charge the battery itself from the USB-C port, which I believe can take 18 watts input. So you can charge this fairly fast. And then you've also got the more standard mini USB charging port for the battery. And then what I thought was a pretty cool idea, and I haven't seen this anywhere else, this is a lightning port. So if you have an iPhone or an iPad, you can charge this with the same cord that you use to charge your iPhone or iPad, meaning one less cord to have to carry around. I'm not sure if I can pick that up on camera, but this is a 20,000 milliamp hour battery, and it says micro USB input is 5 volts at 2 amps. Lightning input is 5 volts at 1.5 amps. Or USB-C input and output is 5 volts at 3 amps. And USB out, which is these 3 ports here, the USB-A ports, are 5 volts at 3 amps max. Total output is 15 watts. My bad, not 18 watts. So that's the fun part. Let's see what else they give us in the box. Chunk of cardboard, a USB-A to USB-C cord. It's a pretty short one, but yeah, I'd say that's 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet long. You could use this to plug into, I don't have a USB port here, but you plug into the wall there and then charge the battery with the USB-C port. Or if, say, you wanted to charge one of the newer GoPros that have USB-C, this same cord can be plugged in here, and then the USB-C port into your GoPro. Or if you had a USB-C to USB-C cable, you could plug in here and then into your GoPro. That would be a little bit overkill for a GoPro. I'm sure it would charge just fine, but it'd be charging pretty hot. Wow, that is a really interesting design on this card. It looks like it's just the warranty information. Yeah, warranty instructions. And the user manual for the battery itself. So let's go ahead and get this stuff out of the way, and we'll round up some USB chargeable items and see how it handles it. Alright, I went and rounded up 4 devices that we could plug into this all at the same time, so let's see what happens. First thing we've got is my phone into the first USB-A port. It's charging. Next we've got a GoPro Hero 8 into the second USB-A port, and it's charging. And then we've got a GoPro Hero 7 for the last USB-A port, and it's charging. And then the only other USB-C thing I could find was this other battery pack, and we'll go ahead and plug that into the USB-C port. And that one's charging. Alright, and there you go. 4 things charging off of one giant battery pack all at the same time. This being a 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack, you can charge this is an iPhone XS Max. You can get, I believe, 3 full charges, or another way to compare it would be a GoPro. In general, a GoPro battery is 1200 milliamp hours, I believe. This is an aftermarket battery. This claims 1500. I'm pretty sure that the stock batteries are 1200 milliamp hours. So it's pretty similar to carrying 20 of these GoPro batteries right here, roughly, just to give you a little comparison. So anyway, that's a quick overview of the PBY-14 battery pack from Aukey, and hopefully that was helpful to some of you guys. And I definitely would recommend this thing if you've got the space for it. It's quite a chunk of plastic. This is, like I said, this is an iPhone XS Max, and the battery pack is quite a bit bigger. Not much thicker though. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.